All right, friends, I'm super excited. We got all the parts back for the motor. So now we just got to prep them for paint. I'm going to be painting the block, the head, and the transmission. And then once those are painted, we can start reassembly. So thanks for coming back to Through the Gears. All right, so as you can see, I've gotten quite a bit of the motor put back together. The whole bottom end has been put together. And I'm going to be honest with you, I actually got the entire thing put together. And then as I was cleaning up my workbench, I see this. You all know what that is. It's the oil control jet that goes in the middle of the engine pretty much. So I had to tear the whole thing apart, and now I'm doing it again. I think it'll work out okay though, because I completely forgot to film any of putting it back together, so now I'll film all that. So don't worry, I'm going to do unboxing videos for all those things as well, because I know that's a fun thing to do. Who doesn't love opening up new parts from boxes? I just burped. So no need to worry, I'm going to do unboxing videos for each of those things as we're installing them, because everybody loves unboxing videos. Who doesn't Jiminy Christmas. All right, so I've got quite a bit of stuff going on to the two cars.